Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add game profiles on ROCCAT KONE XP AIR. You can see that at the bottom I have one profile slot. I can add another one by clicking on plus. Then I can change its name, change its color, and when I'm pointing on any of those, I can change its settings, and you can see that for any of those, all of the settings will be different depending on how I adjust them, and I'll be able to switch between these profiles. Let's go to the button assignment, and then you can see that in my case the button number 15, so this one, is assigned to profile cycle. So to switch between profiles, I need to click on this button right here, and then I will switch between profiles. So it will light up in the color of the profile to indicate which profile I'm currently in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.